Hey guys, it's me Vel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing this Christmas makeup tutorial with you guys. So to save some time, I went ahead and did my foundation, brows, concealer off camera so that I could have time to show you guys the eyes. And those are the foundations I used. I'm going into the Conspiracy palette, taking the red shade. It's really hard to find the perfect red shade. It's almost impossible. So I used the Conspiracy palette by Shane Dawson, and I also used Ticket to Brazil from BH Cosmetics, and then I just blended everything into the crease, and we're creating a cut crease today. By blending the two reds in both of these palettes, you're able to get more of a red shade as much possible as I could, but it still came out a little pinky. It looks pretty. I think at the end with the red lip, it just ties everything together. Asking you guys to please be patient. I am setting up a different lens that I'm using, so it did blur in and out. Here I'm wiping off any excess and dusting it with this fluffy Wet n Wild brush, and then I'm just going in with the teeny tiniest amount of black just to kind of give me more depth into the eye. And now I'm going to be going in with this green shade from the Conspiracy palette as well. At the end I did top it off with a L'Oreal pigment just because it didn't give enough of something that I wanted. Like, it wasn't shimmery enough. And now I'm taking a little Wet n Wild liquid liner that I bought years ago from Halloween, and I'm just creating just a little line above my cut crease just to give it like a little bit of glitter. I mean, who doesn't want to wear glitter on Christmas? And again, just going in and deepening up the crease. I'm going to be taking this green shade from the Jeffree Morphe palette and placing it on my bottom lash line. This green is like Christmas green. It's just like the perfect shade of green. So I did that, applied some liquid eyeliner, just gave myself a nice wing. Then I went ahead and applied some mascara, and I typically only use the mascara just to blend my real natural lashes with my falsies. And the lashes that I use in this video, they are from the Dollar Tree, the Ioni brand. I have a video of those if you want to go check it out. I don't know exactly which one it was. It was a natural pair, and these were like on their last leg. Is that what you say? But anyway, so just go ahead and keep on watching, and I'll come back whenever I need to tell you guys something. And here's that mascara that I was talking about before, this Mana brand. I have seen it at Ross, and they did send me a box to try out the other products. So this one is so fluffy. It's huge, as you guys can see. It's just super big, but I like it. I like the way it grabs onto your lashes. Be very careful if you're trying to do your bottom lashes with this thing, because she's a big girl. Going on to contour. If you're not new to my channel, you know that I love LA Colors bronzing kit. Like, I have the Anastasia, the Anastasia contour palette, but I rarely reach for that. This one just gives so much pigment and I love it. So I'm just bronzing up the face, and then I'm going in with the more cool tone shade to deeper contour my face. I always go in with a few different bronzing shades. So here's Tawny by Anastasia, and I'm just further contouring the cheekbones and just applying. As you guys can tell, I'm doing it closer to the ear, but not all the way down, because you don't want to close off your face. You can just make it look really muddy. And then I'm just dusting the excess onto my nose. Next, for blush, I'm going in with, this is called Cocoa by NYX. It's super old, but I thought the color tone would just go really nice with the lip and the eyes, and I went ahead and dusted this across my nose because that's kind of a vibe right now. And for highlighter, I'm using MAC Double Gleam. Really pretty shade. It just didn't do exactly what I wanted, so I went in with the LA Colors. LA Colors is stepping it up. Get ready for my Dollar Tree tutorials because I can't. Like, they're just a really good brand. And so I went ahead and topped it off with some LA Colors, super gold and pretty. Again, be patient. I will have everything in better focus in the next video. And then I set everything with the Morphe Jeffree Star setting spray. And this smells like really artificial strawberries, which I don't like. Alright, and then for lips, I just went in with a Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Red something, I don't remember. And then using the Milani red lipstick, I think this came out really pretty. If you guys did like it, if you do want to see more videos like this, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, like the video, obviously, subscribe, and thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. Bye.